The street lights flicker like a dying spark, just me and the ghost of the moon in the dark. I don't need a shoulder, I don't need a man, I just need the wheel right here in my hand. She's sitting out front in that street lamp glow, chrome yellow skin and a heart made to go. 1939, she was born for the road, waiting for me to lighten the load. My yellow bird, my heavy metal soul, in a world full of rust, you're the one in control. With your chrome grinning wide and your fenders so high, we're chasing the blues right out of the sky. Just a girl and her Ford and the miles left to find, leaving the wreckage of yesterday behind. Leather is cracked like a well-worn secret, a story told once, and I'm gonna keep it. The gear shift is heavy, it fights me a bit, but the rhythm is perfect once we get into it. The smell of the oil and the gasoline prayer is the only thing keeping me standing right there. Through the back alley rain and the highway heat, she's the only thing keeping me steady on my feet. Cry for attention, but she's just a sanctuary, a holy invention. When the city gets loud and the talk gets too cheap, I wake up the engine from her velvet dark sleep. One turn of the key and the confession begins. She washes away all my everyday sins. Yellow as a lemon, but sweet as the wine. My beautiful girl, my 39. Yeah, just me and the yellow, down where the shadows grow long.